Eyewitness Weather Forecast.
Good evening, meteorologist Dana Masalsi here with your check-in on the weather. We started off very chilly this morning with temperatures around 0 degrees, though we did manage to warm up into the upper 20s by the afternoon hours with plenty of sunshine throughout the day. Now that the sun has set, we've dropped down to 20 degrees and we have those calm winds as well, which is good because it's not really creating much of a wind chill. And you might have noticed that our sunsets are now after 5 p.m. and the current sunset is at 5:12 p.m. for today. And we're actually gaining around 2.5 minutes of daylight every single day, and you're definitely going to notice this change within the course of this month. And for more details on that, I'll send it to our chief meteorologist, Colleen Hurley, back in the studio. Colleen?
Yeah, Dan, it's definitely noticeable during the evening commute, especially this time of year. We see that twilight until almost 6 p.m. And over the course of the month of February, you're really going to notice the gains in daylight. February 1st, tomorrow, sunrise is at 7:15, doesn't set until almost 5:15. And by the end of the month, just 4 weeks away, sunrise will be at 6:38 a.m. Our sunset goes all the way back until 5:48, so coming up before 7 in the morning. And that means over the course of the month, we will have gained 1 hour and 13 minutes of daylight. So between the 1st and the 28th, you will really notice that difference. We'll be continuing to gain daylight right on through until June. Now later tonight, temperatures get down to the single digits, 2 in Cooperstown, 5 in Utica tonight, 3 below, 0 in Old Forge tonight. It'll be a cold start to the day tomorrow, but we will manage to get just a couple of degrees warmer than we did today. Looking at mid-30s in the valley tomorrow afternoon, 33 in Oneida, only upper 20s in the North Country. We will have a little bit of a wind chill factor tomorrow as well. Breezy conditions expected. Now you'll see on the futurecast tonight, we've got clear skies. We are cold but very quiet. That means sunshine to start the day tomorrow. We're looking at partly cloudy skies in the afternoon, but a nice dry day for us. Quiet again tomorrow night and for much of the day Wednesday as well. Wednesday we'll have some sunshine. Clouds will be thickening up for us in the afternoon, and then our next weather maker will be arriving. You can see as early as Wednesday evening we may have some snow showers, some rain showers in the area. We are expecting snow, sleet, and ice for Thursday into Friday. This could be a very impactful winter storm, so check back as we get closer for updates on that storm. Tonight, no storm, clear skies, nice and dry. We get down to 5 degrees, so another frigid start tomorrow, but we will make it just a few degrees above freezing. 34 in Utica in the afternoon. That wind chill factor has us feeling like the 20s. We have our lows only in the 20s tomorrow night, so not nearly as cold as tonight. Wednesday will be our warmest day of the week, hitting 41 there ahead of the cold front. Cold front comes through, and that means snow and ice for us. It looks like on Thursday, maybe some rain for those south of the Mohawk Valley. But behind that, we get very cold for the end of the week. We're only in the low 20s and teens for Friday and Saturday, bouncing back a little bit as we turn the corner into next week, though. Jamie?
Thanks, Colleen. Here's a
Now, your Eyewitness Weather Forecast.
Good evening, meteorologist Dana Masalsi here with your check-in on the weather. We're looking at a time lapse of downtown Utica throughout the day today. We started off pretty chilly around 0 degrees, though we did manage to get into the upper 20s by the afternoon hours with plenty of sunshine throughout the day. Now for current conditions, we're sitting at 16 degrees and we have those winds out of the southeast at 7 miles per hour, which is making that feels like temperature at just 6 degrees. And you might have also noticed that we are starting to gain a little bit more daylight with our sunsets becoming later, and by tomorrow a sunset of 5:13 p.m. and by the end of this month we'll be seeing those sunsets closer to 6 p.m. so we are going to be seeing a very noticeable improvement in how much daylight we're getting, and by the end of this upcoming month, an hour and 13 minutes more of daylight, so definitely very noticeable. And you'll be seeing those sunsets later and those sunrises earlier. Now for our low temperatures tonight, we're going to be in the single digits as well as below 0, 3 below there in Old Forge, 5 in Utica, and 2 in Little Falls. For our high temperatures tomorrow, we're going to get a little bit warmer than we did today in the upper 20s and low to mid 30s. 29 there in Old Forge, 34 in Utica, 35 in Ilion, 34 in Cooperstown, as well as Oneida. Now moving that futurecast forward tonight, we'll continue to see those mainly clear conditions into tomorrow morning and plenty of sunshine throughout the day on Tuesday. It isn't until later in the afternoon hours that we start to see some more clouds working their way into central New York. That'll continue throughout the night into Wednesday morning, starting off mostly cloudy there. We'll we'll continue to see those cloudy conditions throughout the day on Wednesday before we start to see some snow showers working their way into the area Wednesday night. Now to recap for tonight, we'll have those clear skies with winds out of the east 2 to 10 miles per hour and a low temperature of 5 degrees. And for tomorrow, breezy with mostly sunny skies, winds out of the southeast 5 to 15 miles per hour and a high temperature of 34 degrees. Now for your 7-day forecast, like I said before, plenty of sunshine on Tuesday with more clouds on Wednesday. You could see there we get into the lower 40s, and then we do have some snow showers expected throughout the night into Thursday as well as on Friday, and temperatures are going to drop right back down to the teens by this weekend. We could see there back below zero for our nights starting off with the weekend. But once we head into the start of next week, temperatures are going to slowly rise back into the lower 30s. Our sports director David Edelstein will have your sports update next.
Your eyewitness weather forecast.
Good evening, meteorologist Sam Lasowski here with your check-in on the weather. We're looking at a time lapse of downtown Utica throughout the day today. We started off pretty chilly, around 0 degrees, though we did manage to get into the upper 20s by the afternoon hours with plenty of sunshine throughout the day. Now for current conditions, we're sitting at 14 degrees. We have those winds out of the southeast at 5 miles per hour, which is making that feels like temperature already in the single digits. You might have noticed that our sunsets are getting later and later, and we could see here for tomorrow, our sunset is going to be at around 5:13 p.m. Then once we head to the end of this month, it's going to be close to 6 p.m. We'll also have our sunrises earlier as well, close to 6:30 a.m. So what does this mean for us? Well, we'll be gaining around an hour and 13 minutes of daylight by the end of this upcoming month. Definitely a noticeable change. Now for our low temperatures tonight, we're going to be below zero and in the single digits. 3 there in Old Forge, 5 in Utica, and 2 in Little Falls. And for our highs tomorrow, a little bit warmer than what we saw today, upper 20s and low to mid 30s. 29 there in Old Forge, 34 in Utica, 35 in Ilion, 34 in Cooperstown, as well as Oneida. And moving that future cast forward tonight, we'll continue to see those mainly clear conditions into tomorrow morning and plenty of sunshine throughout the day on Tuesday. It isn't until those late afternoon and evening hours that we start to see some more clouds building into central New York. That'll continue throughout Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Starting off with your Wednesday morning commute, mostly cloudy skies. We'll continue to see those mostly cloudy conditions throughout the day, and by the evening hours we'll start to see some snow showers working their way into central New York. Now to recap for tonight, we'll have those clear skies with winds out of the east 2 to 10 miles per hour and a low temperature of 5 degrees. And for tomorrow, breezy conditions with mostly sunny skies, winds out of the southeast 5 to 15 miles per hour and a high temperature in the mid 30s. Now for your 7-day forecast, like I said before, plenty of sunshine for tomorrow. It'll be much cloudier on Wednesday. Look at that, temperatures getting into the lower 40s. Now unfortunately, we do have those snow showers working their way in Wednesday night into Thursday as well as Friday. Temperatures are going to be dropping as well back into the teens as we head into this weekend. You could even see there Friday night and Saturday night back below zero for our lows. Though we do start to warm up a little bit as we head into the start of next week. Monday, mostly cloudy skies with high temperatures back into the lower 30s. We have more eyewitness news coming up after the break.